What if I told you, the best robotic pool cleaners aren't the most expensive? In fact, some of these under $3,000 hidden gems clean faster, last longer, and even outsmart luxury brands. Today, we expose the top 5 robotic pool cleaners of 2025, including one that climbs walls like Spider-Man. Stick around, #4 will save you hours of maintenance. All purchase links are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. Beatbot Aquasense 2 Ultra. The Beatbot Aquasense 2 Ultra is an AI-powered cleaning robot that seriously impressed me with its mapping and cleaning capabilities. It mapped my 12,000-gallon, irregularly shaped pool on the first try, something other robot pool cleaners have failed to accomplish, and cleaned the floors, walls, waterline, and surface flawlessly. It sped up after the first run too, using the previously generated map to clean more efficiently in less time. This is the priciest option in the Aquasense 2 range, and it's the only one powered by Beatbot's new AI. If you have a big pool, or your pool has a non-standard shape, the additional cost of the AI is well worth it in my experience. I love the original Beatbot Pro that I tested before this one, but it never managed to map my pool, always using the Deep Sense mode instead. Number 2. Aiper Scuba E1. The Aiper Scuba E1 is my favorite above-ground pool cleaning robot because it has a large coverage area, efficient cleaning action, and excellent filtration. It's fairly lightweight, so it's easy to lift up and over the edge of the pool. It weighs about 17 pounds, and it automatically returns to the edge for retrieval when it's done. It also has a safety bumper, which is key for preventing damage to above-ground pool liners. I love how easy this pool cleaner is to set up and use, which is something it shares with other Aiper models like the Aiper Scuba E1, our best overall recommendation. It's ready to go right out of the box without any complicated setup. It does need an initial charge before you can get started, which took about 4 hours, but there wasn't any complicated assembly or setup process. Number 3. Aiper Scuba E1 Cordless Robotic Cleaner. Excellent cleaning performance. Experience the pool cleaning power of the Aiper Scuba E1 pool vacuum robot's powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing capabilities. A robotic pool cleaner for pool's floor, walls, and waterline. The generously sized filter basket efficiently traps both large debris and fine particles and provides you with crystal clear water for a pristine pool experience. Upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0. We've taken WavePath navigation to a whole new level on Scuba E1 by optimizing cleaning routes of the cordless pool vacuum to cover the entire pool while minimizing cleaning time by following an intelligent path, avoiding unnecessary overlaps and miss. Number 4. Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner. During the initial testing period, the Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner impressed with excellent performance and an expansive feature set. After 6 months of daily use, it proved to be reliable, powerful, effective, and easy to use. In fact, this cleaner has had no problem removing any debris. Because it uses a power cord, the Dolphin E50 doesn't require charging. I prefer not having to worry about tripping, but not needing to worry about battery life is a huge benefit compared to cordless pool vacuums. The cord does limit it to a 50-foot-long pool, assuming a power outlet that's very close to the pool, but it's compatible with all types of pools, including gunite, fiberglass, and vinyl. Number 5. Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. For the ultimate pool cleaning convenience, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control and schedule it right from the iAqualink app. Using your smartphone, you can start or stop the cleaner, create customized schedules, and even see when the filter needs cleaning, and it all works while the robot is underwater. Thanks to its 70-foot tangle-reducing cable, this high-end robot cleans even the largest in-ground pools. It's important to note that we tested this cleaner in an above-ground pool, so we could not test its wall, step, or waterline cleaning abilities, but it does have those capabilities if you need them. So, which of these pool robots are you taking home? Let me know in the comments. If this video saved you from overspending, smash that like button, share it with a fellow pool owner, and subscribe for more money-saving tech secrets. Want the best deals? Check the links below, prices change fast. Until next time, keep your pool crystal clear ** without breaking the bank.